Hey guys, it's Ian here, and I'm on Lab 8 of the INTC2050. Here on the screen I have a couple tasks we're going to be performing for Lab 8. We're going to configure account policies, we will be configuring the audit policies, we will also be configuring the folder redirection and enabling disk quotas. So here I'm on the administrator account of the RWDC1. First we're going to go to the group policy management snapping. To expand, we're going to create a new organizational unit. We're going to name it marketing. Inside that, we're going to create a new GPO policy object. We're going to name this one PWD POL1. Okay. We're going to edit it. We're going to go to the policies, Windows settings, security settings, to account policies, and then the password policy, the minimum password length. Double click it. We're going to define the policy to be 14 characters in length. Apply, then OK. So next what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Active Directory users and computers. We're going to create a new user in the marketing object. New user. We'll name this one Lab 8. Click Next. Give it the standard MS Press password, which will never expire. We give it the standard MS Press password. Go ahead and click Next, and we're going to click Finish. What we're going to do now is we're going to hop over onto that user account, and we're going to update the group policy management. As you see, I am on the account that I just created. We're going to open up the command prompt, and we're going to type in gp update /force. It's going to update the policy. Meanwhile, we're going to hop back over to the administrator. Then from there, we're going to link the OU to the domain. Back in the administrator, we're going to go hop over to the group policy management. We're going to highlight the domain one.local, and we're going to link an existing policy. We'll go ahead and click the policy one. You see how it sets it at number 2. We're going to up it to the link order number 1. And then we're going to go ahead and close this. I'm sorry, go back to group policy management. From here, you can open up the domain. What we're going to do is we're going to delete it from here, from the marketing organizational unit. And then we are going to right click marketing, and we're going to block the inheritance. Okay, we're going to go ahead and hop over. We're going to update the group policy management. Now logged in, we'll go to the group policy, the Active Directory users and computers, and we're going to create a new user, just like last time. It said this one's going to be the Lab 8 user 2. Click New User, Lab 8 user 2. Go ahead and click Next. Give it the standard MS Press number 2 password. We're going to uncheck that checkbox and put password never expires. However, before we click next, if the policy went into effect and we did things correctly, it shouldn't allow us to create this account because the password isn't 14 characters in length. And click next and click finish. As you see, it will not allow us to create this user account. So we're going to back out and we're going to double the password. Click next, and it allows us to create the account. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go back to the group policy management. We're going to edit the password policy. Now we'll go to the policies, window settings, security settings, and then the account policies, the account lockout policy. Click that. We'll go to the threshold and we're going to define it to lock us out at 3 invalid logon attempts. We're going to click OK. It'll give you some suggested settings. Go ahead and click OK. We're going to close out of that, and we're going to hop over to the Lab 1, User 1, and update the policy and then attempt to make 3 failed attempts. Go ahead and make 3 failed attempts. As you see, the reference amount is currently locked out and may not be logged on to. So now what we have to do is we have to go back into the administrator account and unlock the user. By doing that, you'll simply just go to Active Directory, Users and Computers, and then go to the accounts properties. You see, Lab 8 User 1 is the account that's locked. We'll go to the Properties and the Account tab, and as you see, there will be a little unlock checkbox. We'll apply and then click OK. And when we switch back over to the user, you'll see that we'll be able to log in without issues. Now that we've done the account policies, we have to work on configuring the audit policies. I've already created the confidential files folder in the root of the C drive. What you have to do is we're going to right click it, we go to properties, we will go to the security advanced, we're going to click edit, we're going to click add, we're going to type in everyone. Check the name. From there we're going to create 2 basic text files. We're going to name it confidential 1 and confidential 2. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the start menu, go to administrative tools, and click the event viewer. As you see, notice how it doesn't have any object unit entries. This is because we have to create a object to allow for the auditing. So from here what we're going to do is we'll go to the group policy management, and we're going to link it to the domain controller. We're going to create the object, we're going to call it audit 1, click OK. Now we're going to edit the policy. So go to the policies, go to the Windows settings, security settings, and then it's going to be the local policies. And then the audit policies. Click the audit object access. We're going to define the success and failure, like apply and OK. After that, what we're going to work on now is folder redirection. So what we're going to do is we're going to click start. We'll go to my computer. I've already got it highlighted here. It'll be under the local disk drive. We're going to create a new folder, text document, new folder. We're going to name it Lab 8 My Doc 1. We are then going to share this folder on the network, share it with everyone. We're going to make them a code. Go ahead and click share. And as you'll see, that's the pathway to how we're going to get to it. After doing that, what we're going to do is we'll exit out of that. We are going to go to the group policy management, and we're going to create a new GPO in the marketing section. We're going to name this one folder redirection. After doing that, what you're going to want to do is you'll go to the administrative tools, go to the group policy management. That's where we're at right now. We're going to open up the marketing tab. We're going to create a new GPO in the domain, in the marketing folder, I'm sorry. We're going to name it folder redirection. Go ahead and click OK. We're going to edit it, and then under the Windows settings for the user configuration, we're going to look. We're going to create a new folder in the marketing. We're going to name it it's a new GPO. We're going to name it redirect 1. Go ahead and click OK. We're going to edit it. Down to policies, Windows settings. Going to be under folder redirection. Documents. So we're going to right click the documents, go to properties, turn on the basic settings, and then we're going to enter the root path that we did before, that we saw before. Once you do that, you can go ahead and click OK. It's going to give you a little warning. You can go ahead and click yes. So what we're going to do is we're going to, on the other computer, we're going to log in the Lab 8 User 1 computer. Once you've hopped off the RWDC2 from logging into the Lab 8 User 1 account, you'll hop over back into the administrator account, go to the local disk C. We're going to go to the Lab 8 MyDoc1. And as you'll notice, this is the Lab 8 User 1 that is logged in on the other server. So now for exercise 8.4, we're going to be enabling disk quotas. So you go to the group policy management snap-in. So now in the domain1.local area, we're going to create a new GPO linking it. We're going to name this disk quota 1. Click OK. We're going to edit it. Under the computer configuration, you're going to go to the policies, administrative templates, system. If you look at the top, under the device installation, there will be a disk quota. Go ahead and click it. I'm going to enable the disk quota, double clicking it, clicking enable, and then we're going to go to the quota limit. We'll double click that, enable it. Go ahead and click the default quota limit. We will enable it. We are going to scroll down. You're going to click under the value. We're going to enable it. We're going to set the first value to 1 megabyte and then the second value to 512 kilobytes. Go ahead and click next setting, and we are going to enable that. Go ahead and click OK. We'll exit out of that. Exit out of that. From here, we're going to right click. We're going to create a new bitmap image. Open it. Just copy and print your screen into the paint. I'm going to save it. Lab 8 test. Go ahead and click save. And at the top you'll see the information. It shows that a user has hit their quota limit on volume C. Now that completes Lab 8. Thank you for watching.